Alright, so start Blender, click on General, select all of the objects or mesh, and then delete them. Add a new mesh, that's plane. Rescale it to the size of a dollar bill. In my case, the textures are of, I think, 73, so yeah. And let's switch to texture mode. There you go. And let's add a material and change the base color to, okay, change the base color to image texture. And let's move the object up a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And open the image or the texture file you have. And there it is, front.png. And yeah, that's pretty much the easy part done. Now, to fix the backside issue, we're gonna add some geometry to it, for which you need to actually go to shading first. You're gonna get confused by this, so just move the front or the first texture we have to the left side a bit, duplicate it, and enlarge it, and open the back texture or the second texture that we actually want to use. And we also need to add a mix for a mix node. Let's get there. Connect the second texture's color to the B and the first one to A, and connect the result to base color. So we actually get a mix of both texture. This is only because there's no geometry to it, like this, there's no thickness to it. So we're gonna add a geometry node to it. And let's put that there. Then we're gonna connect the back facing to the factor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, that's the easiest way to make a dollar bill in Blender. Essentially the easiest way to make money in Blender. And yeah, that's it. Also, you can actually multiply it like into stacks or something using a modifier, and the modifier is called array. So when you add it, yeah, you can see it's double right now. We can actually increase the count, but let's move to constant offset and increase the z value rather than the x to, stack it. And then, yeah, see it's stacking. So you can actually increase the count. There's a gap between. You can actually decrease the z axis to actually make it look like a stack. And yeah, that looked like a stack of cash with both side texture. And yeah,